Hey, and welcome to Alpha 1. So, we are now starting a new type of videos in my channel. I'm sorry for any extra sound that is coming because I'm sitting here in the veranda in Sao Paulo and it's quite a lot of noise coming, okay? So, bear with me. So, what I'm going to teach you now is how you can make money with newsletter, because yes, newsletter is actually the easiest way to make money online, and with Beehiiv it's making it even easier because you can build a newsletter from scratch for free. Yes, you can have up to 2,500 in your list and you can send every day for free with Beehiiv. How amazing is that? So I will show you all these type of things. I will show you how advertising works, how you can make money with your list, everything, and how you can also use affiliate links inside your link and still be within the rules that Beehiiv have. So now let me show you a little. So I started basically 14 days ago. I did use this 7 days with a trial free plan, and also I used 7 days on a paid plan. Okay, you find link below the video if you want to join. Also I get a small kickback if you use my link, but you don't need to. If you just want to go to beehiiv.com, just do that. If you want to use my link, thank you so much, but it's not necessary. So now let me show you a little how it works. When you have started, when you have a paid plan, on a free plan you can't be in the advertising area. You will see here, sorry for my finger, I'm using a tablet, so I'm sorry for that. You have something called monetizing that you see there in the menu there, monetize. Let's go there. Then you can see ads. So when you have a paid plan, basically they will give you advertisers here. It did take me basically 7 days before they approve it. They don't send you any email, at least I did not see they sent me any email, but you approve it, and after you approve it they will start to send you advertisers. As you can see there now, I have set up one now there for 18. You see a blue thing there, that means I set up one. So now here I'll show you, if you go a little down here, Tangle, that's the first one that will be inside my newsletter. So I made a newsletter and I just put in this one, and he will basically automatically make advertising inside your newsletter. With this one there, I will get paid each time someone click a link that is based on this advertising. I get paid. So let's push here now for view details. By the way, before we move on, I will start to make daily videos. There will be basic videos like this. It's not going to be with a crazy camera and things like this. Raw videos, if you appreciate that, I hope you do. It's basically because I'm going to show you that you can do this with a tablet. This is with a tablet, you can do it with your cell phone even, but it's easier if you have a computer, of course. Okay, so as you can see here now, I'll get $1.31 each time someone click. They have estimated that I will make around $10. Let's hope it's more, but all this I'll show you, but it will not be right away. Even though this will go out in my newsletter tomorrow, as you can see up there, we will only see in 72 hours how many clicks I got. Okay, so hopefully we will start to get at least every second day in the start advertiser, so you can start to send out your newsletter and we can start to make money with your newsletter. Because what I will teach you in this new series here now is how you calculate ROI on your subscribers, because yes, we also have an option to buy subscribers. So what we do then, we go back to the main menu and you push on grow, and then you can go to boost. Here basically, let me move me a little out here now. Let's cross up this one here. Here basically you can add some funds up there and you can start to buy subscribers. So as you will see later on here now, I will show you that my list is actually in Norway. If you are in the United States, it's much easier to grow because there are much more people in Beehiiv that is from United States. I wanted to build a newsletter in Norway because I have much good affiliate offers. So I can now explain you about affiliate offers also. Because as you know, in the start, you will not get advertisers all the time. So you will not make this 1.31 or more each click. in every newsletter you send out. So then it's good that you can put in some affiliate offers. Thing is, when you put in affiliate offer, make a good newsletter. Don't make it about the offer. Make it a normal one, whatever you're talking about. For example, me is pengesnakk uten bullshit. Basically, it says money without bullshit. It's just talking about how to make money, about all different type of affiliate offers, things like this. It's basically everything that have to do with money, how to make money, about things that are happening in the world, cryptocurrency, forex, everything like this. So make what you have interest about. So make it about that. But you can put offers, affiliate offers that fits what you're talking about. But make sure you write, for example, sponsor and then make the information. Just so you are, the users you have, they know that it's a sponsor link that you're putting. Otherwise you can get banned. So make sure you do that. That's a way you can make money with your newsletter in the days that you do not have advertising from Beehiiv. Okay? And then after, you can start to calculate ROI. ROI you calculate out of when you start to send something over a length of a month with some advertisers, from ads from here, your affiliate marketing, and you are sending for 1 month. Then you can start to divide the money you have with your subscribers, and then you can start to calculate ROI from your subscribers. Because then when you're buying, for example, here with the boost, you can get subscribers for all the way down to around $0.50, okay? And then you can, if you don't see that the value of subscribers are much more, then you can buy. Typically, I will say set around 3-4 months ROI. So calculate from the amount you're making and divide it, and then calculate how much you're making for each subscriber you have on the list for, let's say, 4 months. Then over, that means the value you have there, you should buy a subscriber here for maybe the half. If you are making, let's say, $4 or $5 in 4 months each subscriber, well, if you can get a subscriber here for $1, you can calculate yourself. You're basically making ROI in like 30 days. That is amazing. If you manage that, perfect, go for it. Then buy, you can build the list as fast you can, because you know you're making a lot of money, okay? So then also here you need to make a website. This is where you're getting in your subscribers. So mine, for example, looks like this. I make them point. Of course, when you're on a cell phone, these two pictures, they come below. But this thing with the, for people to subscribe, will always come in the top. But still, looks nice on cell phone also. So make sure you make, so as many as possible will join. And here you can see all the ones I have sent out, for example, right? So make it the way that fits for your audience, okay? So also another thing that can make so your subscriber become more cheap. Places you can get subscribers is, for example, if you have a big groups, perfect for you, invite them from there. Or if you don't have that, you can make advertising in meta ads. They allow you to make advertising directly to Beehiiv, or you can get some from here, of course. But what you also can do, so you make more, so they will be cheaper. You have something called booster. Let's go back to here. Not the same booster like here, is for the monetizing. So as you can see, I did show you ads, but you also have for boost. So you can see I have 1 active boost now. I only approve it for 1 because I have a Norwegian newsletter. Not so many want to be inside the Norwegian newsletter. So if you have one from the United States, you will have a lot of good offers. So you can see here now, for example, you can make $1 up to $2 here, even $3, as you can see. See, mine is pending, says here now. And you see many are rejected because they don't want Norwegian traffic. But if you have an American list that is, for example, talking about IA, or you're talking about cryptocurrency, many of these, they will love to get your subscribers. So then when your people signing up, will come a pop-up after they sign up with the email, will come pop-up, and they can just select all. So then if you have many, you can make a lot of money for each subscriber you get even. So in a way, you can get your subscribers completely for free. So that's the cool thing with Beehiiv. So I will not talk too much about everything here now because I don't have too much information. My list is basically lists that I have built up from before. So I'm now sending over people that open recently my email from my another lists that I'm running in other places over to Beehiiv. So I'm sending only the best ones over here. So I have that luxury, of course, because I've been running newsletters for more than 20 years. But for you that are starting just right now, well, take it slow. And tomorrow I will update you with another video. But in 72 hours, we will then start to see our first money inside Beehiiv. So that will be exciting. And you will see all that together with me. So that's it for this video. I hope you like this type of videos. And I can't stress enough, the easiest way to make money in 2025 is not super cool, but it is. That is newsletter. So with that, have an amazing day.